Hello students, today we will start 9th chapter of class 7th rational number. So students, in our previous classes we learned about different type of numbers like natural number, whole number, integers. Natural number are those numbers which are starting from 1 and they are also known as counting number. Example of natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 and so on. Whole numbers, when we include 0 in the group of natural number, then this group is known as group of whole number. So example of whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. In our previous class we already learned about integer. So group of positive, negative and 0 is known as integers. Between any two integers there are infinitely many numbers. So in this chapter we will discuss about these numbers. Rational number are those numbers which can be expressed in the form of p upon q, where q does not equal to 0. Here p is the numerator part of the rational number and q is the denominator part of this rational number. There is a basic difference between rational number and a fraction is rational number can be positive, negative and 0, but fraction cannot be 0 and negative. Our next topic is equivalent rational number. So a rational number can be written with different numerator and denominator. For this we have to multiply the numerator and denominator of a rational number by the same non-zero integer. We obtain another rational number equivalent to the given rational number. This is exactly like obtaining an equivalent fraction. For example, we have a rational number 2 upon 3. Suppose we have to find its equivalent rational number. For this we multiply numerator and denominator of this number by the same non-zero rational number, non-zero integer. So we have 2 upon 3 multiply by 2 and we have 4 upon 6. So 4 upon 6 is the equivalent rational number of 2 upon 3. We can also obtain equivalent rational number by dividing the numerator and denominator by the same non-zero integer. Our next topic is positive and negative rational number. A rational number whose both the numerator and denominator are positive integer, it is known as positive rational number, whereas a rational number whose numerator or denominator is a negative integer is known as the negative rational number. Now we are going to start our exercise 9.1 and first question is list 5 rational number between -1 and 0. So students, it is asked in the question that we have to find out 5 rational number between -1 and 0. First we add 1 to the given number. Suppose we have to find out 5 rational number, then we add 1 in it. So we have 6. Now we multiply both the numerator and denominator by 6. Our first number is -1. In the form of p upon q, we can write this number as -1 upon 1. Now we are going to multiply numerator and denominator of this number by 6. In the same way, we can write 0 as 0 upon 1. Now we are going to multiply both the numerator and denominator of 0 by 6. Now resulting number is minus 6 upon 6 and 0 upon 6. In the next step, we can write rational number between 6 upon 6 and 0 upon 6. So rational number between 6 upon 6 and 0 upon 6 are minus 5 upon 6, minus 4 upon 6, minus 3 upon 6, minus 2 upon 6, minus 1 upon 6. And they are 5 in number: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this way you can solve second part of this question. Now move to the third part of this question, and third part is we have to find out 5 rational number between minus 4 upon 5 and minus 2 upon 3. So first we are going to find out the LCM of the denominator of these two rational number, so that we can equate their denominator. For equating their denominator, we have to multiply first rational number by 3 and second rational number by 5. So after this we have minus 12 upon 15 and minus 10 upon 15. In the next step, we will multiply these two rational number by any greater number of your choice, so that we can obtain 5 rational number between them. So here I am going to multiply both the rational number by 10. So after multiplying both the numerator and denominator of both the numbers by 10, we have minus 120 upon 150 and minus 100 upon 150. Now we can take any 5 number between them. So we have minus 119 by 150, minus 118 by 150, minus 117 by 150, minus 116 by 150 and minus 115 by 150. In this way you can solve fourth part of this question.